Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today I'm sharing with you some happy mail that I have received, either in the post or actually in person for some of it. And so first of all, I've got this beautiful card from a lovely lady called Jill, who lives in the Scottish borders and had contacted me about a stamp that she was interested in. It was a retired stamp, so I sent it to her and she sent me this lovely fun fold card as a thank you. So it does have a personal message on the back there, but I do love that "Consider yourself hugged," and love that fold. So I don't think I've done one of these. If I have, it's been a while, so I might just add that to my try out in a video sometime soon list. I also received a thank you card from the lovely Anthony for a birthday gift that I had sent him. There's more from Anthony in a moment or two when I get onto my birthday things. And then earlier in September, middle of September I think it was, I met up with two lovely friends and received this little box from my friend Elaine of Elaine Smith Designs. It has a little magnet there and then folds out like that. How neat is that? And then each one of these little triangles opens like so. So you could put all sorts of little things in each of those, and they fold up like that. And while we were discussing it, I said to her, I think that would look fab if you had two put together. So she may well be doing that sometime soon as well, as might I. I will check to see if Elaine has a tutorial for this. If she has, I will link it in to the description for this video. And then my lovely friend Lorraine gave me this. Now it's difficult to show you all in a oneer because it's huge. It is a project bag. So if you're working on something, then you can keep all your bits and pieces in here while you're working on it. And I absolutely love this fabric. It is simply stunning. And I might just have ordered a notebook with the similar, I think it's mountains rather than sea, but when it comes I'll see whether it matches well enough or whether I might need to order another one. But this is big enough that I could put in scrapbook pages, 12 by 12 in that, because it is more than 12 inches there to there. So I will have some scrapbook pages to share with you in an upcoming video, and I might actually, until I get that recorded, put them in here to keep them nice and safe. So isn't that a lovely crafter's gift? Beautifully made. Now I'm on to birthday. And I've received a few handmade birthday cards and handmade birthday gifts. So this is from my dear friend Valerie, who is Valerie's Handmade Cards and Gifts. She is Valerie Broomfield and is my Stampin' Up team manager. Love this paper. Love that she's made a bow. She's not a fan of tying bows. I normally have to do them for her. And isn't that just beautifully shiny on there? And then it has a surprise. I hope she doesn't mind me sharing the message that's inside, but I can't not, because really it's fabulous. So we've got a little happy birthday there and a personal message at the side there. Love, love, love this. So I thought it was just a normal joy fold, but was delighted with this extra surprise inside. I have definitely never made one of those and may well give that one a go. And the lovely Elaine that gave me that beautiful project bag also gave me this stunning card. Love the elegance of it. So we've got some heat embossing in the background there, then heat embossed flowers and gold round there, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Lorraine. And this one was for my lovely friend Elaine, who is also part of Valerie's Stampin' Up team, and was the creator of this fun box. Love this. This comes from one of the Stampin' Up kits. I don't know if this particular kit is still available, but right now, in the month of October 2024, you can buy Stampin' Up kits at a discount. So between 10 and 30% discount off all of the Stampin' Up kits, including the new ones just launched. So yeah, thank you so much for my handmade birthday cards. I obviously did have some other birthday cards as well, and I got a birthday gift in the mail from the lovely Anthony, who had sent me that thank you card, and a very similar card that he gave me with a beautiful message inside for my birthday, along with our favourite glue. He knows me well. A hand warmer and this stunning beautiful little book, and I love that it's plain on one side and lined on the other, and I think I will probably design something on there and write out the measurements on there. So that's why it's in my crafty room and will be staying here with my glue. I did receive another couple of three handmade gifts. So I'm including these because they are handmade chocolates, and these are from Emma, who is in my Nellie's Stampers team. I will confess to having sampled rather a lot of these, and when it says fine chocolates, it totally means it. So they're made in Dorset, and that's the area that Emma is in. And my reason for getting stuck into them so quickly is that they contain fresh local ingredients and no preservatives, so have a short shelf life. Yay, good excuse. But the flavours available, Emma selected which ones she thought I would like best. So I'm absolutely loving these chocolates. It's so hard not to just go, oh, that one was lovely. I wonder what this one tastes like. Yum, yum, yum. And then the other team member I met at the Putler's event last weekend was the gorgeous Hazel. She did give me some other bits and pieces as well, including more chocolate. Yum! And I love these sticky notes, and this was handmade by her darling husband, Jim, who is an exiled Scot. God love him. But it is just absolutely stunning. So this will be cherished, and it's just so, I was actually nearly tearful at that one. Beautifully made. And another one that made me pretty near tears was this stunning little guy. Although when I say he's little, he's not really that little. Where's my measuring? Here's here. So top of his hat to his bottom is about 10 inches. And I can't explain just how soft and lovely his beard feels. So this was from my friend that I garden with and craft with, and she has picked up all of these shells from the Prestonpans beach, which is just outside my house, along with these little ones on his little belt, and this bit of driftwood for his wizardy staff, and it's just absolutely stunning. I love him to pieces already. Isn't he just gorgeous? And this is entirely her own design, and she said that she hasn't made any for a while, but that does not show at all. So thank you so much, Caroline, for this stunning little decorative gnome. I think he might, he's just gorgeous. I don't know, I don't care what anybody wants to call him. He is fabulous, and he will be joining my autumn decor when I get round to sorting it out very soon. So that's all I wanted to show today, but I will be back to share the swaps I received at the Puttlers team event in my next video, and then probably the video after that what I created at the crafty retreat too. So if you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get notification the next time I upload a video, which are normally tutorials, but this is just a little exception. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.